1 year ago today, I was standing in front of Sally, and Sally was right by Miley. This is something I didn't really tell you guys and something I wanted to keep private, but I was crying when I found out that I was selling Sally. It was my prized possession, it's what I build my channel off of, and it was just my other half. I've grown so fond to Sally, 4 years together, and I built it to what my dreams were. I'm so happy that she went to a great owner, but we are going to do a 1 year ownership of when I got Miley. We're going to talk about the full journey that we had together, pretty much everything that we have done, because as you guys know, as soon as I sold Sally, which was around April Fool's Day, a lot of you guys thought I was joking, but is the time that I picked up Miley with 1,000 horsepower. Today we're going to talk about the full 1 year anniversary of my 2014 Shelby GT500, aka Miley. Let's get it with a cold start. You guys already know the routine. We do it every video, and I'm not going to stop because I know you guys love to see a cold start of Miley. And for this cold start, let's actually do some open headers because I love doing open headers. Shout out to Pypes Performance Exhaust, another one of my first sponsors. Actually, my very first sponsor that I had on the channel. Biggest sponsor, and I will always represent them because they make my car sound so well. They represent the channel, and I just love everything about them. So shout out to Pypes, shout out to Kenne Superchargers, shout out to Vvivid Vynal, shout out to Dyna Performance, shout out to everybody who's helped with the build. But I just wanted to go ahead and support that just because I cannot believe it's been a year and we have just done so much with this car. So cold start with the open headers, let's get it. One full year of ownership. It seemed like yesterday I was searching for a new car after selling Sally, looking for the perfect car to bring to the channel. Originally, I wanted to get a 2007 Shelby GT500, red with white stripes, exactly how it was in I Am Legend. Watching I Am Legend just made me fall in love with that car personally, just because seeing it on movie, hearing that whine, and just seeing how well that Mustang is put together just caught my eye and caught my heart. I was actually watching a JD Joyride YouTube video, funny, and I wanted to take it to the next level. With the 3-valve, I was just doing so much. I was feeling like I was doing more than what my dream was actually portraying. I had a dream, I accomplished it, but I felt like I was doing too much. And when it comes to building cars, there is a limit. There is a point where you're done, and I just felt like I was doing too much to the car just to provide you guys content, which is not healthy for the car and not something a car builder, car enthusiast wants to go ahead and do. So I decided to put my car up on Craigslist without telling you guys. I did not want to involve my social media, my account at all into this. I just wanted to put it up and see who caught on. Personally, I did not want to accept anything under the price tag that I put it at, which, as you guys have known, which I made it publicly announced, I put it for $25,000, which is kind of a stupid thing. I should have not displayed how much I put it up for, but mistakes turn into lessons. And in this case here, I only put it for $25,000, which I got lots of offers for $20,000, $21,000, $23,000, and I did not take it because there was only one price that I will let it go for, which is the $25,000. And well, money talks, and Daniel, the new owner, picked it up, and now we will do a update video on Sally. We're going to get together once when all this coronavirus goes away, but it was a sad moment and I had to do what I had to do. There was also some offers for some 5.0 Mustangs, which I did not want. There were some S197 5.0, some S550 5.0s, and even a 2018 5.0, and I did not want to do that. I did not want to take it. I only wanted the cash so I could get myself a GT500. All right, cool. Well, do you need anything else? You always have my number, so I'm always available. And give me a text, give me a call, give me whatever. Good. Yeah. Is it cool if I just record like the last last bits? Oh man, my goodbyes. Can't believe this. Oh, I cannot believe this, Sally. There it is. Those cutouts. See ya. Have fun. I did end up selling it, as you guys know, and well, I was searching around. I was searching around for the market on a 2013-2014 Shelby GT500, and as you guys know, these GT500s do not depreciate whatsoever. They are still $45,000 to $50,000 because this is the last car that Mr. Shelby worked on himself. It is the last manual Shelby GT500 and is the biggest modern day motor that Ford has put in a car. The 5.8 liter V8 engine pushing out 662 horsepower. Of course, the 2020 tops that at the 760, but this at the time is the last one Mr. Shelby worked at, the last manual. So this is a very iconic model, probably the most desired besides the 1967 GT500 and Eleanor. Besides the 1960s, this is the most desired modern day Shelby GT500, and it was very, very hard to get my hands on it, and I did. I got it through my buddy John, Wayne, and Derek, which I featured on this channel multiple times. Clean. I got this GT500 already with 1,000 horsepower, and a lot of you guys were like, what am I going to do with this car if it's complete? And I wanted to go ahead and prove you guys wrong, to which is what we did here on the channel so far. We wanted to build a new, never before seen, never before heard of build on YouTube, and currently still undisputed with all the GT500s. Nobody has done anything that we have done with so far, even with all the new GT500s on YouTube. So I'm very happy I was able to provide you with the content. And well, I had a Super Snake when I first picked it up. It was already Super Snake, 850 horsepower. It just didn't have the authenticity of a Super Snake. So I wanted to take it up to the next level, and there's only one level above this GT500, and that is the Shelby 1000. That's the only thing that can beat a Super Snake, and the only thing that could beat a Shelby 1000 is a Shelby 1000 wide body, to which we have here as Miley. We have completed the top tier Shelby GT500 build that Shelby American offers itself, a $200,000 car we built with these hands, with my team, and with you guys, and I'm so happy I was able to provide this content to you. It's still not done. Majority is done. We're going to talk about the future that we're going to take with this GT500, which I can't wait to show you guys what we have in store. But in all, this is complete. 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. The Shelby 1000 needs 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. 1,003 horsepower, 817 foot-pounds of torque, SAE smoothing. Let's go, we did it! The wide body install from Shelby American itself, we have completed that. We have the Super Snake upgrades, like the Super Snake wheels, authentic from Shelby American, which is built by Weld Racing here in the United States of America. These are forged, these are handled to get the 1,000 horsepower. We have the Brembo package, we have the American Racing long tube headers, we have the Pypes exhaust cutouts, which huge shout out to my sponsor Pypes Exhaust for hooking it up with the best sounding exhaust out there. Spin and do the first reactions of a cold start, which I'm super excited for. I don't know what to expect. It was ridiculous, like absolutely ridiculous with my 3-valve engine, the 4.6 liter. All right, it's all back together. First reaction of a cold start. Open headers. I'm legit kind of scared, don't know what to expect. Let's just go ahead and fire her up. Yup. Miley has awoken. The only difference that we have here is the Ford Racing mufflers, which on the Shelby 1000 they actually have boreless. I think Ford Racing is the best sounding out of all the high quality mufflers out there, and I'm super excited to put these on the Shelby 1000. All right, we finally got the Ford Performance. Oh, don't do it just quite yet now. We finally got the Ford Performance, not Ford Performance, Ford Racing axle backs on Miley. All right, Joe. Fire her up. There you go. Oh yeah. Dude, she sounds even more mean. Yeah. Alright, give a little rev. Woo. Oh yeah. Yeah, she sounds nasty. Wait till she warms up. I want to hear the idle. Idle right off the bat sounds way better. Take it easy now. And in addition, there are lots of things I still need to do, like carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber license plate, carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber side view mirrors, carbon fiber handles, carbon fiber grill, upper grill and lower grill, and I also need the Super Snake hood, which I'm still trying to get. The Super Snake hood is pretty much discontinued. I'm looking all around and I just can't find an authentic Super Snake hood. So if you have an authentic Super Snake hood, please hit me up. I'm looking to get it because this cowl hood is cool. I like it, but not what I want for the build. All right, so here is the built 5.8 motor that I'm picking up from the guy that built Miley initially. Basically what we're gonna go ahead and do is take off the heads. We're gonna reuse my heads, reuse the supercharger. We're only gonna take the short block because that's the stuff that takes the power and abuses it and everything here. What we got is a Cobra Jet crank. We got the double key. We also have the forged rods, pistons, bearings, and billet oil pump gears. I'm gonna get the brands and everything like that set in stone. Looking underneath the hood, we have the 5.8 liter Trinity motor from Ford itself. And as you guys have seen, we have built it with a Cobra Jet crank, Manley rods, diamond pistons, king bearings, as well as ARP hardware, which is just some of the components within, as well as MMR tensioners, guides, chains, and much more. On top, to push the power, we have the Kenne 3.6 liter billet mammoth supercharger, along with all the big options like the throttle body, intake, and intercooler. So this is everything. I do want to go ahead and get carbon fiber radiator cover, carbon fiber fuse box, maybe some aluminum coolant, carbon fiber coolant reservoirs, and just dress it up a lot better, as well as we definitely need to get this car back to black, because that is on the agenda for this build. We definitely need to get this car back to where it was original state. As you guys have seen in my previous videos, I let you guys decide the color of my Shelby GT500, sponsored by Vvivid Vynal Wrapping Company, which I love this color. It is great, it is unique, it stands out, it is an eye catcher, and I'm super happy on this color. But eventually the plan is, boys, to turn this car back to black where it belongs, because black just looks so menacing, looks so aggressive, and that's where I want to be back, is back in black, baby. And that's probably one of the songs I'll be playing once when I paint this thing black. I just need about $5,000 to paint it, and then we'll be off and cooking to the rest. So that is a review of my car, what's to come, and my 1 year ownership. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have so much in store and so much to come. I just wanted to give you guys an update. It is mine and Miley's 1 year anniversary, and I would not be here if it wasn't for you, because with your support, with you watching the full video, with you guys watching the advertisements, giving a like, sharing it with your buddies, it just helps tremendously. And I cannot thank you guys, because without you, I would not be here. And again, we got a lot to come. We're gonna get Sally back on the channel. We're gonna get some more drives. We're gonna go on the track, on the drag, when everything starts to cool down. And I definitely want to go ahead and bring another car to the channel. That's one of the things that I need to do, because this car is great. I daily drive it, but getting 5 miles per gallon and being the car that it is, it's not something I want to drive every single day. So comment down below what you think I should get for a daily driver, and we'll go from there. I definitely want to go ahead and do that. But thank you so much again for your support. Make sure you subscribe for more awesome content. Make sure to give a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching the full video, because that's honestly all I care about, is watching the full video through and through. So again, you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. I like you.